Hello, this is the African ally here. Uzamaka nkem de Lenwampa. Abumonyi Igbo. Been in America na Turtle Island. My name is Uzamaka nkem de Lenwampa. I go by Uzo. I'm an Igbo woman currently residing in Turtle Island, Ohlone territory. There's so much happening right now. And I'm feeling the need to reach out to my other fellow Africans who are living in the diaspora, as well as on the continent of Africa. I've noticed most of my brothers and sisters, cousins and aunties and daughters that travel to this land willingly have very little experience, knowledge, and wisdom to know what our ancestors who were here on this land centuries ago experienced and what their descendants continue to experience. I'm talking about those who were captured and sold to the slave trade, went through the Middle Passage, and experienced the horrendous traumas of being enslaved as a people. Languages taken, spirituality broken, souls broken, families broken, lives taken. It was a mess. And my only education or exposure to that was in my own household, where my father had us watch Roots at a very early age. And of course, that's Hollywood, right? Like, nobody introduced me to the texts of the writers of the people. It wasn't until I came to this country and I had some guardians and caregivers who were African American, who schooled me, if you may, on the experiences of the people. I needed to find my identity, so I hung on to those who had been on this land for much longer and knew a way to navigate. I was able to identify as Black proudly, right? And 20 years later, I'm here in my full honor regalia of who I am, where I've come from, because it is a privilege on this land to have that as a melanated person. So my ask is for those who are either on their way here to this land or have been here for a while on this land and you came intentionally, pay attention to those who paved the way for you. Share your gratitude. Listen to them. Don't so quickly dispose of them because they're angry or upset or frustrated, because you have no idea what their ancestors had to experience to be here, to survive, to continue to live in the resilience. I would love for us all to become one again, to be able to fight these systems of oppression that has been put upon melanated people worldwide. We cannot continue to be fighting each other, y'all. We need to come together. Igwebuike, igotago, not equal to onye. Collectivism versus individualism. Let's make it happen, folks.